So it comes with this adapter for USB 3, is the blue one, to Type C. Just put it on the port. The LED is gonna turn on blue, and then you can just plug the HDMI cord to the monitors like that. So here is the adapter that's plugged in on the USB 3 port on the laptop, and then you can see the LED light here, and then the two HDMI wires already connected, and you can see here I can extend my screen to both monitors. So now I can come here and I can move my screen all the way to the other one, and it's working really good. So it's like a docking station, but this is just for splitting the screens and sharing extending the current screens, and it works really good. The setup is really nice, and it connects through a regular USB 3 port right here, or it comes with the adapter for Type C. It's a really simple setup.